Wow.
You already know.
Hi, brother.
13.
Where are you guys coming from?
It's crying. Why?
Where are you guys coming from?
Me?
Yeah.
From Australia.
So you're not from Saudi Arabia yet.
No, not Saudi Arabia, brother. I'm Australian.
But I am hearing your accent like an Arab kid.
Huh? Arab. She's from Arab.
Yeah, I'm from Saudi Arabia.
No, not Saudi Arabia, brother. I'm Somalia. I'm Somalia, darling. I'm Australian.
From Makkah.
Yeah.
And she's
Somali, we are from Somalia.
Somali.
Yeah.
What about her? Her from Saudi Arabia.
Come to Malaysia. Oh my brother, you are here in Malaysia. I can see, brother. Why are you saying Saudi Arabia? No. Don't lie. أبغى يستجيب. وحتى سعود عربية وأنتوا يعني. مين هي هذه أستراليانا هذه؟
Okay, brother, one question. Wait, come here. Brother, one question. Look, this girl
Yeah.
and this one, which one is more beautiful, brother? I will give you. Which one, brother?
I don't want to judge what is our girlfriend. I mean, Allah give this space to us, so I don't want to judge.
Okay, you choose one.
Alright. Let's show it haram.
Choose this one. Haddii qof xaraan ah u tiqaf in la doorto. Ma xaraan, brother, ma xaraan. Ma xaraan. Kale ninka xanaaqan ba cabsanaya. La qalbigu ilaalinaya. Qalbigu maxay gal Okay, this one like you, brother. I give you this one.
This one.
No, I give you this one. Yeah, we will give you this. This one is the smallest one,
Yeah.
and we will give you this one. She is
the cutest.
This one is small. Yeah, she is the cutest. She is beautiful.
يقول إيش هذا؟
And she is single, brother. Okay. Sorry, brother. This one is beautiful. Take this one.
Oh, this one take, brother. Not take. Another take. This boy is coming.
What boy?
Ini kelar
The other boy is so young, brother. You are Yes. This guy is teenager and you are 50 years old. What are you talking about?
How old are you?
Mal'ada.
What's your name?